All right, thanks, Brian. Michael St. Jean from St. Jean Realty joins us with the latest in Hamilton's housing market. Good to see you again on Morning Live.
Good morning.
Since we last spoke, all-day GO train service coming to Hamilton, and we've spoken about the exodus of people from Toronto moving to Hamilton, with remote working or whatever, but and lower prices. So it's created an exodus. This has to really ramp it up. What kind of impact are you expecting on the real estate market?
The recent GO announcement, as far as all-day GO coming to the West Harbour station in Hamilton, is a major milestone, a major announcement. I think it's going to have a very positive impact on the city as a whole, and especially the housing market. As you mentioned, we do have people moving to Hamilton from all over the province, and most specifically from the Toronto area. Due to affordability. People seeking change in lifestyle, and the GO just further strengthens the argument that Hamilton is, connected and is a place that's going to see a lot of prosperity economically over the next 5 to 10 years. So I think it's going to have a profound impact. I know that the station coming in back in 2014 was a big step, but without the all-day GO, we just did not have the connectivity that the other stations did all along the line. And this really now puts us in the same position as the other stations along the line.
Right. Do you expect this profound impact to be fairly immediate?
I think so. I think that this really changes the game for the city. Puts us on an equal playing, on an equal level with the other communities along the highway. And I think this is, one of many reasons that people are moving to Hamilton for sure. But this is a game changer for development, for the downtown, and it really just is one more step in the right direction for the city of Hamilton. And it means we're really one step closer as well to seeing all day GO coming likely to the Centennial GO hub. And of course, plans are already in place and work underway for full connectivity all the way to Niagara Falls in the coming years. So this is a big announcement.
Yeah, looking at the larger area, Niagara is certainly included in this boom. Is there a downside, though, for existing homeowners in the area impacted by the train service? Higher property taxes or perhaps evictions? You talked about development evictions like we saw with LRT.
Yeah, I think most of the impact has already taken place. The station's been there for years. We've seen values in that neighborhood specifically increase, astronomically over the last 10 years. And the impacts from the construction and all of the rest of that has already taken place. I think you're going to see definitely increased home values in the area and in the city as a whole. But I think there's always pros and cons to everything. And with positive announcements such as this, there are some downsides for specific segments of the population. But I think overall, this is an overwhelmingly positive announcement. And I know that with announcements like these and real positive developments occurring in the city for the majority of Hamiltonians, I think this lifts far more people. This announcement lifts far more people than it does hurt. And we're better moving forward than we are being stagnant or moving backwards, which I think impacts a lot more people negatively.
Less than 30 seconds left, but just give us a quick snapshot of the market right now. It's been astounding how hot the market has been in Hamilton, and I think the year-over-year price increase is something like 28%. Are we into a leveling off or a cooling off right now?
Since we last spoke, there has been a cooling in the market. When interest rates drop that significantly in a short period of time, obviously buyers suddenly fall into increased borrowing power, and they jump out into the market. There was a lot of positivity as far as real estate was concerned, and of course people seeking lifestyle changes. And so we saw a quick run up in pricing. We've now things have now stabilized, balanced out. We're seeing activity still at what we would consider record highs, but nowhere near what we had experienced maybe back in February or March. Although again, I would stress that it is still extremely busy. We've come down a notch from insanity, and
Right.
but
Yeah,
things
yeah.
are still busy.
Absolutely. Well, thanks for your snapshot and regular insights, Michael St. Jean from St. Jean Realty. Good to see you. Thanks for joining us on
Thank
a
you.
holiday Monday. You're
No
always working.
problem. Have a great day. Have a great long weekend.